Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw SpongeBob. So grab a piece of paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're gonna start with SpongeBob's nose. So we're gonna come right here and do this funny shape like that. Perfect. Next, we're gonna move on to his eyes. We're gonna come right over here. And then a little cheek. And then we're gonna put another eye right back here. Like this. Perfect. Next, we're gonna do his pupils. We do little dots. And then we do circles around them. Like this. Perfect. Now SpongeBob has these eyelashes sticking up like this. So we'll do 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we come down and move to his mouth. We're gonna do a line like this, and then come around and up to this cheek shape. We'll put a little line like that. Now we have to add his 2 teeth, like that. And then a big smile, just like that. The tongue inside, 1 line, and then we add another one in front like that. Perfect. He has a little line underneath his lip. And now we're gonna draw his shape, the square shape. So come up here and we draw a jagged line. Another jagged line down. Over here, jagged line. And a jagged line below. Come back to the top and do one going back. A jagged line going down, and close that off too. Perfect. Let's move to his body, where we're gonna do a straight line for his SquarePants. Go all the way down here and stop, and draw another straight line right there. Perfect. Let's have a line going back right here, and a straight line there. And now that we have the shape closed off, we're gonna do the details inside the clothes. We have a collar right here, and another triangle right here, and then 2 triangles for his tie. One there, triangle. It's kind of like a square shape right there. Let's do a straight line across for his pants. And then a few detail lines for his belt that he has going across. Perfect. Okay, he has 2 little cuffs for his pant legs, right here, and 1 over here. Now let's draw his legs. He has 1 coming down, then back, another line coming down, back. Now his shoe is kind of this rounded shape. Like that. Perfect. And we add a little bit on the back for his heel. And then a line, couple lines for his sock. Right there. Perfect. Let's add the other leg. 2 lines going down. Come back, and then we add another rounded shape for his shoe. And the heel, and then a couple lines for his sock. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit here for a shadow on his pants, a little bit on his leg, Now let's give SpongeBob some arms. We'll put one up here. A couple straight lines, a curved line, and then a line coming out, another line coming out. Okay, watch really close. We're gonna have a line there, kind of a rounded shaped line, and another one back here. Right back here, we're gonna have a line coming up for his thumb. Another little line there. And some rounded shapes going out for his fingers. Perfect. Let's add one on this side too. We're gonna add a line inside like this. It's not gonna close all the way off. It's just a line kind of in the middle. And then some straight lines going out. Let's draw his hand now. A rounded shape there. Another rounded shape here. A line there in the center. And now his thumb coming out. And his fingers, rounded shapes. Perfect. Let's have his sleeve wrap around now. We close off that shape behind the arm. Okay, now to finish SpongeBob, we need to add some circles on the sponge. So one there, a couple up top, one here in the back, there, and then two more in the front. Perfect. And there, we have a picture of SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Good job. That was really tough, but you kept going and you got it done. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Bye. If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!